Okay guys, so I just made you a little tutorial video to show you how to use the Zoom app if you haven't used it before. So the best way to get to it is just to go into Google and Google Zoom app for your computer. And then you want to go down to the download center where it's actually under the zoom.us. You don't want to go under the ads here. So download center. Now, I've already downloaded it to my computer, so you obviously won't see it downloading, but when you do it on your computer, just follow the prompts. And then what you'll do is you'll sign up. So sign up, it's free. So you'll just have to create a username and a password. And then once you do that, you'll be able to join the meeting that I have scheduled for today. So you'll hit here, join a meeting. And then you're going to enter the code 276-455-836 and you'll hit join. And then you want to let it open Zoom and then make sure if it asks you about opening it with audio that you make sure you click that. And then it's going to ask you for a password, and the password is 286971. And then you'll hit join meeting. Okay, so right here it says, please wait for the host to start this meeting. I'm the host. I haven't started it yet, obviously. Haha. So it's going to start at 8 o'clock. It's entitled Leading Ladies. If you want to go in and test your computer audio, you can. If you don't have a laptop that you're going to use for tonight, then you can just download the app on your iPhone. But you will still need the same ID and the same password, and I will text that to you. So, all right, looking forward to talking to you guys tonight. Bye-bye.